In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with suppliers on Alibaba. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from browsing a product to opening a conversation with a supplier so you can ask questions, request samples, and move your sourcing forward with confidence. Start by heading to Alibaba.com in your browser. This is the world's largest B2B marketplace, and the chat feature is built right into each product page. If you already have an account, make sure you're signed in so your message is saved to your inbox. If you're not signed in, you can still navigate first and you'll be prompted to log in before sending a message. Next, choose the product you're interested in. Use the search bar to type in what you need, then refine the results with filters like price range, minimum order, shipping country, or verified suppliers. This helps you narrow down to sellers who match your requirements and speeds up the conversation later because you're starting with a more suitable listing. When you see a listing that looks promising, click on a sample product if it's shown. Many suppliers offer a sample option, which is a great way to test quality without committing to a large order. Clicking the sample often opens the detailed product page and highlights the sample variant so you can review specs and supplier information. If you're taken to a product page that shows the sample again, click it once more to ensure you're viewing the sample details specifically. This can also surface related actions and makes the next step, starting a chat, easy to access. Now, look for the Chat Now button on the product page, usually near the supplier's profile or price section. Click Chat Now. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and do that. The chat window will open so you can compose your message directly to the supplier. Begin chatting with a clear, concise introduction and the key details the supplier needs to help you quickly. Mention the product name or link, your target quantity, and whether you're interested in a sample. Ask about price tiers based on quantity, minimum order quantity, sample cost and shipping, production lead time, and available customization like color, logo, or packaging. If you need specific certifications or compliance documentation, request them upfront. Keep your tone professional and polite. If English isn't the supplier's first language, short sentences and bullet-style lines in your message can improve clarity. You can attach drawings or photos if they help explain requirements. Stay within Alibaba's chat for order protection and ask to use trade assurance before paying. That's it. Go to Alibaba, choose your product, click the sample, click it again if prompted, hit Chat Now, and start your conversation with clear, useful questions.